That hurts so good, said Mom, while she was getting cracked by the chiropractor. I just love when me and my mom go to the chiropractor to get our backs blown straight again. It hurts a little, but after a while you get used to it, and you can start enjoying it. My mom is kinda obsessed with him though, and has now started to build an altar shrine where she brings him offerings, like freshly cut mango and avocados. She is just so crazy sometimes. His name is Eduardo, and she screams his name every night